should help her. But let's ask Mom first.
Of course, but first, we need to keep her safe.
Good idea. We can learn what she needs.
We need a little home for her. Wait, we need to learn first.
What does she need? Good question. Let's find out.
I have a cookie for her. Wait, Jude! Why? We should ask first.
Oh, good idea.
Let's see what she needs.
What does she eat?
We need to be careful.
Okay, we will learn first.
Look! A soft bed! She needs a safe place.
Is this enough?
For now, yes.
She likes it. Is this okay for her? Let's ask Mom first.
That is a good idea.
We should give her the right food. Let's learn about squirrels.
What do squirrels eat? Maybe nuts?
Some nuts, fruits, and plants.
So we need the right food. Is this okay for her? Let's ask Mom first.
That is a good idea.
We should give her the right food.
We can wait. She needs some toys. Maybe she needs less.
Less?
She needs a safe place.
Okay, safe first.
Nice and soft. Let's keep it clean.
Okay, clean and safe. We need a name. How about Nutty?
Maybe Sunny?
Sunny? Sunny it is.
Look, I drew Sunny. It's cute. Now, let's clean up.
Oh, I forgot. Clean after play. Sunny, wait!
Be careful, Jude.
She wants to explore. Let's keep her safe. Sunny, stay close. Wait, Jude, stay calm. Okay, slow and gentle. That's better.
Look, Sunny. A safe place. Take your time. Let her come. She came out. Slowly, Jude. See? She trusts us. Look at Sunny. Let her explore. Where did she go? Wait, don't scare her.
Okay, I'll wait.
Sunny!
Oops.
Use a quiet voice. Sunny!
I'm sorry, Sunny.
She knows you're sorry.
I'll be gentle.
She's coming closer. I'll stay still.
Can Sunny stay with us?
I want her to stay too, but she's a wild squirrel.
She needs her natural home.
But I love her.
I want her to stay.
I know.
But Sunny needs her home. Her home is outside? Then we should help her. Sunny needs a soft place.
And a safe ride.
Good teamwork. She is ready.
She loves it here. This is her home.
Go, Sunny.
Be safe, Sunny.
Bye, Sunny. What good habit did Jude learn? Did you enjoy our story?
Subscribe to Jude and Ivy Learn.
We learn English and good habits together. Subscribe for more fun stories every week.